You still there? Oh, you're still there. Wow. All right, here's the deal. I'm not even dressed for this, but welcome back to the SB experience. This is the second unboxing video on this channel. I'm sorry that I've been missing, but y'all probably miss me. Well, you just want content. Probably don't give a shit, but that's cool. I love you anyway. I really love you, and I'm really grateful for you. I know that like a few subscribers had left. That's okay. It's okay, because it wasn't like we had 1 million subscribers anyway. So you're gonna see who left and who's not here, and whoever's not here, maybe they'll come back. But if they don't, at least you can always remember, you people who are still right there watching, that you were here the whole time. If I become famous, if I become successful at YouTube, when I become famous successful at YouTube, when. I just been getting down with life, getting busy, leveling up my life, which is what I wanted to do before I continued making content, because I felt like inadequate. I felt like, what am I gonna present to the people when I don't even really got nothing going on, you know? Like, I wanna make content, I wanna film, I wanna make these beautiful videos that I make, but I felt inadequate. But now I'm in a better position, so expect more videos, guys. A lot more videos. And I actually got a lot of projects, like full-on projects that I'm developing. Starts here. And you'll be seeing it sometime soon. And without further ado, brand new package. Let's unbox this thing. Okay. So this will be the first time I get a look at what I've ordered. These are obviously Nike SBs. I ordered Chunky Dunkies too, guys. But I didn't do an unboxing video, and I should have done an unboxing video, but it's cool. These came from GOAT. They were in a whole nother country. They were in the United Kingdom, in South Hall. Don't know what the heck that is, but it took just about a week. So yeah, without further ado, I know what they are. You guys don't. You're gonna see right now. But this is like literally the unboxing. I didn't even see them yet. So we're gonna get this reaction together. GOAT. Brand new. All right, no cap. Seems to come straight out the box. Oh no, they gotta get these back. Why would they send me this? Why would they send me this? They gotta give me a better pair than this. This one is fine. They got this red dye all in the front, look. Let me flip the camera, hold on. So yeah, anyway, let me give you an introduction. I'm sorry, I'm over here giving an honest reaction, which that's what the video is for. But these are the Bart Simpson Nike SBs. However, I'm not really satisfied with these. And you got some dye all up and down this part. Oh, that's a good idea. We'll get these legit checked. But anyway, these are the Bart Simpsons. They come with green laces. They're really beautiful, actually. They're kind of colorful. You know, I think you would have to tone down your outfit to really pull these off. You gotta let the shoes shine. So yeah, these are the Bart Simpson SBs. This left shoe here with that dye problem, I don't really like that. Feel pretty good. You got some leather here. Leather on the swoosh, leather on this part here. And then this is suede. The inside you got like this mesh texture. The green insole. Yellow, blue. The yellow representing Bart Simpson's skin color. He wears a red t-shirt and he wears blue shorts. Got like, I guess, the white from his eyeballs. I don't know. Let me pose for the thumbnail. I hope you enjoyed this. Overall, I'm pretty happy. I like them. I like this shoe better because, I don't know. Thoughts? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? My sneakerhead cousin approves, so